Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, Node, JS LTS, and Git. Open your project folder in the editor and initialize a Git repo so changes are tracked. Next, run npm init to create package, JSON, and install a dev server like Live Server or Vite. This gives instant reloads so you see changes. Once done, create index, HTML style, CSS, and main JS files. Make sure to open the integrated terminal and run the dev server to verify the basic app load. You now implement the core functionality. Scaffold HTML layout and link your CSS and JS modules. Break JavaScript into modules and use import/export so code stays maintainable. And if your project needs bundling, configure Vite or Webpack for builds. Connect APIs by creating a separate API. JS with fetch calls and error handling. This keeps UI code clean. Also add ESLint and Prettier and run them in VS Code. This prevents bugs early and enforces consistent style across files. You complete the workflow by creating a production build with your bundler and testing it locally to catch issues. Choose hosting, Netlify, Versal, or GitHub pages, and connect your repo for one-click deploys, or add a GitHub Actions workflow for CI/CD to build and deploy on push. Once deployed, verify assets and routes. If something breaks, check the browser console and network tab first, then confirm relative versus absolute paths and MIME types. Fixing those usually resolves most deployment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.